All right. So, the big truck does not look too big. I didn't really explain anything because I was really kind of just pissed off because I was really hoping to bring that truck to LST and ended up not working. Those cost more than the truck. Look right here. This is about an 18-inch lift, maybe 20. My truck was supposed to be a 30-inch lift. It's not. We grinded for like 4 days, didn't even sleep. Got the 4-link, everything done, the axles are ready. Put the coilovers on. We had 2 sets of coilovers. Those coilovers that I ordered brand new, and these coilovers that I got as like a donor set that I was planning just on using for the show. These were originally on 2 second gens, and this Ford is about 3,000 pounds heavier than a second gen. So we thought it was gonna collapse 2 inches, ended up collapsing like 2 feet, 30-inch lift. It's sitting at like a 10-inch lift right now. It's literally smaller than Kaylee's truck. I've never been able to grab the battery like this before. Obviously, we couldn't take the truck to LST, so that was kind of a bummer. The overlay still has to go on and a bunch of other stuff, so I guess it's all right. The show is still cool without it. I blew up the second gen, but like, whatever. The Mega Cab? They don't even know about the Mega Cab. If you watched the last video, I blew up the second gen down in Texas. I blew the head gasket on it, and then we were forced to fix the head gasket in the Airbnb garage. Didn't work out too good because I put the new head gasket on it. The head must have been warped a little bit. We went to drive it down the road and kaboom! Holy shit. The head exploded. I loaded up on the trailer, took it to somebody. We traded. Now I have a Mega Cab. Ooh, I have a Mega Cab. I've been wanting a Mega Cab for like 6 months. So.
I've been wanting a Mega Cab for like 6 months.
6.7, 6-speed. Got a big old Turbski. Makes like 700 horsepower. It's fast as I've walked a Mustang GT, a brand new Camaro ZL1, a Duramax. Bring all my stuff here because I drive one truck here, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I have this one here too. So I drive a different truck home. Like yesterday, we took home the white truck and Kaylee's truck because we finished that truck up. Did they even know about that? We finished Kaylee's truck.
Yeah,
and now the Mega Cab's here. So today we'll take home the Mega Cab, and hopefully this weekend we'll be taking home the big truck, and then I'll have no trucks here, and everybody will be happy.
And then Logan can break up with us.
And then I could buy more trucks to bring. Obviously from Texas, so it has no rust. Has minor dings and dents here and there, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up. And it's also 2-wheel drive, so I don't know if I'm gonna lower it in the rear or put bags on it completely just like the other one. Definitely need some 24s or 26s. Let me know what you guys think.
Can this please be the tow rig?
This will have to be the tow. I can't really lift a 2-wheel drive truck, so this is going to be the tow rig. I mean, really, if I cut everything off and then put a straight axle underneath it, that'd like be the only way I could. This could be the monster truck.
Stop it.
Where were we? Oh yeah. So those coilovers don't work. So Radflow sent us out some monster truck coilovers. Those were 14s. These are 18s. I can't believe how big these things are.
That's what she said. Jesus.
Oh my God.
I actually don't hate them the color that they are, but
No.
I know you're yeah. They don't look terrible. Like if this is what we had when we had to leave, that would be fine. You're holding a kid.
We'll jack the whole front of the truck up. I gotta take these off, take them to powder coat. We got steering that has to go to powder coat. I put brakes on it, take the wheels and tires out of the shipping container. That's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be like a 2-hour thing.
I think more than that. Should be ready to go. You want to start it up? They haven't heard it in forever. This truck was not hooked up to any battery charger or anything. I didn't even unplug the terminals, and it started right up after 6 months of it sitting here, or something like that. 5 months.
Oh, I don't know.
In the dead of winter, it got down to like -40, and it started right up.
Yeah.
Oh, almost. She's getting there. I'm so excited to drive this thing.
Me too.
Oh my God.
I tried telling you these shocks were huge. Bet you guys didn't know fucking Gabe was a truck builder. Right, little tiny come here. That's why I watch my language since you're filming a YouTube video. I'll just leave it up. Yeah, we're gonna have to lower this down.
Oh my god.
I need the uncut footage from my YouTube.
This
Here
is
it
not
is.
how tall it's gonna be.
Yes, I'm telling you, it's gonna be bigger than this. You're gonna be able to walk underneath it. I'm gonna park my Jetta right underneath it.
It's insane. Look at this big ass steering bar. So here's a normal steering bar. That's a normal one. I'll probably still bend it.
No, if you bend that, dude, you had to hit a pole at like fucking 90 and then that.
This is ridiculous.
It's all because of them rad flow shocks. Get rid of that jump king shit.
This ugly car is in the way of my wheels and tires for my... Yeah.
Your truck is hideous, man. I'm gonna sink like a rock.
Oh yeah, mudding. Oh, we should put the 44s. Should put the 44s on the forklift. Okay. The 46s have come out to play. I forgot how heavy these things are.
I kind of forgot how like tall they were.
Logan rolled out one, and I tried to catch it, and it literally plowed me over.
Like that?
Now you thought we were putting these on the big truck, but we're not. We're putting them on the mega cab. Nah. All right.
Get walking. That's what I fell in love with, everybody. This is kind of ridiculous.
A little bit.
Someone has brains around here.
Just stand right here and look at this thing.
I can't even. Hold on.
How are we gonna take thumbnails with this?
We're not.
Stand all the way over there.
You're gonna have to like stand on the tire every time. Just so I can get it like this.
Alright, so here's the 700 horsepower mega cab that none of us like. Just kidding, I love this thing. It's a good truck, runs great. Drove all the way back from Texas, no problem. Also, you can hear it from fucking Canada.
Oh my god.
That's fucking ridiculous.
We gotta adjust that rear arm still.
We gotta make it taller.
We can.
That's fucking ridiculous.
You're about to break your ankles.
Please don't sit up there. It's so high. Bye. Oh my god. Good job.
Oh yeah, it's just that one side we need to bring out.
That looks insane, Logan.
That's why it's all fucking out of whack. We need the one arm's way out and the other arm's way in. That's why this wheel well centered and the other one's forward.
We'll fix it.
Oh, that ain't no big deal. This bitch looks fucking good though.
This
man.
thing's so big.
I tried telling you. You said make me a monster truck. So I said okay.
I think we got a monster truck now. These are 46s, and I think I'm skating about a foot above them. Jeez. Oh, there's the hood stack. All I gotta say is, for everybody that doubted me and Logan,
If they could build it themselves, they would, but they always freaking are calling me.
honestly, I trust Logan to build anything more than like anybody in this country. I've seen the welds on all the show trucks at all these shows that I go to, and this truck is way better than all of them. So you'll just have to see in person.
And it was just like a 5-minute build, too.
Honestly, it didn't even take that long. It took like 6 days. We started last week. I don't know what else to say. This thing's big as fuck. Almost there. Just gotta button up a few things. She'll be ready to go. This thing is ridiculous. Jesus Christ. Skate King who?